many amazing lessons, but I do feel this one resonates with me the most because it's about finding the joy in acts of kindness, that even the smallest gesture can have a profound impact. Each day to the steps of St. Paul's, the little old bird woman comes. In her own special way, to the people she calls, come, buy my bags full of crumbs. Come, feed the little bird, show them you care, and you'll be glad if you do. Their young ones are hungry, their nests are so bare. All it takes is tuppence from you. Feed the birds, tuppence a bag, tuppence, tuppence, tuppence a bag. Feed the birds, that's what she cries, while overhead her birds fill the skies. All around the cathedral, the saints and apostles look down as she says her wares. Although you can't see them, you know they are smiling each time someone shows that he cares. Though her words are simple and few, listen, listen, she's calling to you. Feed the birds, tuppence a bag, tuppence, tuppence, tuppence a bag, tuppence.